Pocket Dump Wednesday. Man, gotta love these EDC videos, right? Not that many people like them, and there's many that do. So it's a mixed feeling. So I came in and I said, man, it's Wednesday. I gotta do a pocket dump. Last week, I think I didn't do it. I was admitted in the hospital, so shout out to that. But I'm okay now and hanging in there. Since I have it in my hands, keys, right? Can't go anywhere without your keys. So that's what that is. In my left pocket, phone. Also, my left pocket, right behind that, like that. That's how I carry it. So last night, I ended up mounting this skull bead. Came out pretty good. 2004, I think, right? The butane. So that's that. What else? Okay, so right pocket. I got my pocket organizer. I made this here probably a few weeks ago. Check this out. Found this at a yard sale. I couldn't believe it when I seen it. So it's an all white. So by the way, pardon the dirty hands. I've been doing all kinds of things. And it's the copper edition, not brass. 2 modes. So that's in there. And this thing, the Viper number 47, very well made. This thing is on point. There will be a video of sharpening this thing, so shout out to that. Okay. Also in my right pocket, of course, Maxpedition wallet. Yep, a little dirty, pardon that. And also in my right pocket, well, it's hanging from my right pocket, is the Strider S&G. What do they call that? Tiger stripe with the I forget. Anyways, that's what I'm carrying. And then I made these a while back. Nice little beard combs. Man, these things are a lifesaver. I'm telling you. I made a whole bunch of these. So with that being said, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick pocket dump. You guys and gals have a good one. Until the next one, take care.